kami. Flowers are so cute.
Baby, I love you.
Saan yung gamit ko, ma? O ba't wala akong kiss yung nakita niya? That is giving unfairness and discrimination of the...
Ano sila si Marlo?
Mali! Bilhan mo ako ng bag. Tay, bilhan mo ako ng bag. 45 lang, please. Ka-overwhelmed. Wala, si mama sa... So, guys, I'm very shy. We're extra small because we're body tea, guys. It's very overwhelming here. She said she wants basic, so should we go to H&M? Ate, you want basic? You should get this one instead. Ah, funny. You're so cute. This one. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. But the price isn't cute, guys. It's $39.
Pantulog to.
$39? Ano lang? Tibilan mo na ako ng yung bag. It's only $49. Oh, please. Ate, okay. You buy me the... Ate, listen. Sige, you buy me that bag and then I'll buy you the set that you like in Uniqlo, the hoodie set.
Wag na,
That's
mainit na.
$80.
Mainit na.
Nakatamad mag-shopping. Hi guys, so we're at H&M right now and Ma, say hi. Ma, say hi. Mother dear. Tara sa taas. Okay, so we're going up to where the sales are. Okay, because in the ground we can't afford it. We're going to the $12 stuff. It's very humid, guys, so it's like very hot and it's like sticky. Wala kasing pera kaya walang gana. I don't have gana to shop because I don't have money. Guys, I'm getting tired. And I have all this stuff. I have to carry all this stuff because I'm the youngest and like I have to carry all of this, you know? This is cute. This stuff is cute. Pero mataba tayo, guys, so we need to adjust. So cute, guys. Everyone's out kasi it's very hot. I think it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, guys. So awkward kasi hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko. Walang upuan, Tek.
Walang upuan.
Ano to? 7-Eleven?
Paano yan? O, tara, baba tayo. Ano to?
Barbecue. Gusto ko barbecue.
Ay, no. Ipakita mo lahat ng Anong binili natin, Jody?
So, we got kimchi jjigae, and then she got rice. She's a big bag. And then we got fried shumai, and we got bulgogi kimbap. And what is this? This is like a pork bun thing. And then she got mango, and then she got this type of tea, but like it's like cold tea. And then I got water.
Mawala na ang pangangamba.
Doon tayo side day, huwag tayo dyan.
Magkamukha ba kami?
Parang gusto ko mag-ice cream. Ayun, base. Diba? That's a base.
Oh, ayan, nilagay dito. Vase ba yan?
Putik naman.
Flowers are so cute, guys.
No, I like this one. This one.
Ito.
Flowers. The flowers. Oh my God.
Anong bulaklak?
Hi, what's your name?
Gracia.
What are you listening right now? Hi, you look so cool right now. What do you do for a living? Hello? Ate, anong oras na? Sumisigaw ako sa mic.
Na ba, buyers? Buyers, love you.
Group hug.
Okay,
Bye. Bye, ingat. Bye. Bye.